Direct sales companies are booming in the Philippines. Marami kasing mga Pinoy love the idea of home-based retail business under direct sales company. It is really a good business opportunity which allows mothers to have an unlimited source of income despite limited resources. The idea of having a flexible income based on how hard you work is what makes direct sales a very popular business in the country.
There's a lot of ways that people can benefit. The beauty of network marketing basically is, number one, you're not under the company payroll. So meaning you don't have a fixed time. You can choose your own free time to do the business. For people who are a full-time housewife, for people who are students, right? So they need to have a very specific and unique way to earn an extra income. So network marketing actually fit into their need.
The most revolutionary compensation system in the industry and a proprietary distribution system through direct selling. G-Fox International is the only direct selling company that takes a 21st century approach to prosper its members and stakeholders in 18 countries across the globe.
It is one of the fastest growing network marketing companies in the country. 这家公司提供着全国人民的家庭一个赚钱收入的好机会。G-Fox International is founded by individuals from Taiwan, Malaysia, Singapore, and the Philippines with experience in advertising, nutrition, manufacturing, and network marketing. 今天跟我一起来多多了解这家公司成功的秘密。Tell us about G-Fox International.
G-Fox International basically is being formed with the visions that we want to give everybody a chance, ordinary people to be able to become extraordinary.
Too many network marketing companies in the Philippines have come and gone over the years. Paano nga ba naiiba ang G-Fox sa kanila?
Number one, our company, our products is Super Brands Award. I always teach my leaders and my team that we are promoting a legitimate and long-term business. I want them to be stable. I want them to have a financial stable.
With a great aspiration to transform lives from ordinary to exceedingly extraordinary, G-Fox is committed to become a faithful partner para sa mga Pilipinong gustong mabago ang buhay nila. Gaya na lang ni Jomar, 27. Dati lamang daw tambay at janitor hanggang sa mapasali sa G-Fox.
Dati, yung work ko sa janitor, halos kahit 500 pesos hindi ako makapag-save, hindi ko maitabi. Then, after nung full time ko yung G-Fox, ngayon nakapag-save na ako ng 5 digits sa bangko. Meron na rin kaming business na girlfriend ko sa piggery sa Bataan.
Hirap naman daw noon na makapasok sa trabaho si TJ, 31, dahil sa kanyang kapansanan.
Very thankful ako sa company to, sa G-Fox. Dito ako tinanggap. So, thankful ako dahil natulungan ko po yung family ko. Mabigyan sila ng income.
Mas pinili naman raw ni Princess, isang single mom na hindi natapusin ang kanyang kontrata sa Singapore at mag-focus na lang sa network marketing.
Habang nagtatrabaho ako sa Singapore, so nagda-direct selling ako through online. Tapos nakakapag-recruit din kami because ang ganda ng products, sobra talagang effective. Then, months ang dumaan, so kumikita ako ng 50,000 a month. Natitriple yung sinasahod ko sa Singapore. So, I decided na mag-resign na lang, na hindi tapusin yung trabaho ko doon because mas magandang i-full-time ang G-Fox.
Ang mag-asawang Richard and Tet naman daw ay mahigit 11 years nang sumusubok ng kanilang kapalaran sa network marketing. Pero sa G-Fox lang daw nila nahanap ang para sa kanila ay perpektong sistema at palakad.
Siyempre yung company itself, no? Talagang very supportive sila sa amin, mga distributors nila. And yung approach nila sa amin is very holistic. Hindi lang sa finances, pati sa character building, nakakatulong talaga sila. Kumbaga, hindi lang puro pera. More on leadership, yun yung mga tinuturo sa amin. Even yung mga mga owners ng company, board of directors.
They're very generous pagdating talaga sa, hindi lang sa mga promos ng company. Minsan, pag nakausap mo sila ng tao din talaga sila. Hindi lang sila yung basta owner. generous din sila pagdating sa pag-share ng wisdom nila.
Galing naman daw sa isang sikat na network marketing company sina Dennis and Aleli. Pero ang kinita nila ng halos 3 taon doon, sa GFox nakuha daw nila sa loob lamang ng 4 na buwan.
Ganun kabilis yung progress namin dito, naging proseso na pagkuha dun sa nalugi namin before.
Nag-avail ka ng products. So, yung products, pag effective, automatic nagme-member agad sila. So, sobrang napakabilis lang nung namin, progress dito sa GFox.
Para naman kina Hubert, Joshua, and Kevin, mga estudyante ng Adventist University of the Philippines, doing network marketing in college did not only give them the capacity to earn while studying, it also gave them the opportunity to experience what it's like handling a team, be a salesperson, at kumita ng pera.
Yung free time namin, instead sa mga hobbies like mag-computer games or what, so parang mas naisip namin, why not gawin namin yung free time as pagkakakitaan, gawing business.
One of the experience na ginagawa ko is work smart. I do this work with passion. Something has changed in my mindset, and then I realized that this is the time that I should be really concerned about my future at kung paano ako makakatulong sa mga magulang ko.
Para kang nag-franchise na isang negosyo, ready-made system, may product, i-move na lang. You just do the marketing, then we'll just do the other things for you. Accounting, mga utilities, sila na bahala eh. Parang ganun ang dating pag sa network marketing. So yung pag-intindi mo sa management, tanggalin na natin yun. So intindihin mo na lang yung sales.
It's a matter of just getting into the right environment. So once you're inside the right environment, of course, nandun yung essential. Attend ka ng mga trainings, you study the products well, teaching people, get started.
So for those who would like to join GFox or try GFox's product, where can they find you?
Well, anybody who are interested with our products and all our business, we will invite you to come to our office, which is actually located in Unit 516 AIC Burgundy Empire Towers. It was just directly opposite of Robinson Galleria. Or you can easily find us. We have a strong presence in Facebook, so you can easily find the products information and also about our business opportunity.